Good day, everyone, and welcome to Miss Daria's classroom. Now, today's edition is tagged How Your Mathematics Teacher Probably Taught You How to Solve This versus the Miss Daria's Method. Come along. So, I'm sure you'd have had something like this. You have step one, change 5 whole number 1/2 to improper fraction. And you have that 2 multiplied by 5, 10, plus 1, 11. That's 11/2 multiplied by 4. And you'd say 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. That equals to 11 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 22. So this is very long. Now, just like I explained to my student, you have 5 is your whole number and this is a fraction. So you know the way you taught them how to arrange tens and units. So we're just going to bring that here. So we are going to have our 5 here, which is the whole number, and our half, we are going to put it over here. Then you have your multiplied by 4, and we do this. Half times 4. So now I taught them 2 ways to do this. It's either you're using your repeated addition and you're saying half plus half plus half plus half. And you're saying half plus half 1, half plus half 1. Then you add it together, you get 2. Or you can just say, what is half of 4? So half of 4 is 2. So just know your half times 4 is still same as saying what is half of 4. Then your 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. And you just add both answers and our final answer becomes 22. If I was to solve this how we were taught back then, I would be doing this. So at first I'll have change 7.5 or convert 7.5 to improper fraction. So I'm going to have my 7 multiplied by 2, that's 14 plus 1, 15. So I would have my 15/2 times 5. If we are to divide our 5 by 2, we are going to have a remainder. So we'll just say 15 multiplied by 5. And our 15 multiplied by 5 is 75. So you have your 75 divided by 2. So this is already a big number. Then we'd have to do this. We'd have to do a division. So you have 2 in 75. How many 2 can you say in 7? That's 3, 6. You subtract, you have your 15. How many 2 can we say in 15? That's 7. We have 14. When you subtract, you have remainder 1. So our final answer becomes 37 whole number 1/2. So now here you have 7.5 multiplied by 5. So just like you have your tenths and units, we are going to break that here too. So you have your 7 here and you place your half over here. Then multiplied by 5. Now, there are 2 ways to do this. We can say what is half of 5. So if you are very good with finding half of numbers, you should know half of 5 is 2.5. But let's say you're teaching a child who does not know how to find the half of a number. So you just tell the child, using repeated addition, add your half 5 times. So you have your half plus half plus half plus half plus half. So you have half plus half 1, half plus half 1, and then you have your half here because there's nothing to add it to it. Then your 1 plus 1, you have 2, then your half. You can see, still the same 2.5, 2.5. So you are bringing our 2.5 here. Then we would say 5 multiplied by 7. 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. And you add it together. So at 35 plus 2, that's 37, and we bring in a half. Short and simple and very easy to understand.